Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! It's been a long time. It feels so good to be back. Today's video is on this look, this black swan inspired makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. Now I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Adventure Makeup Foundation. It's a Nigerian brand and this foundation is very nice, trust me. It's so mattifying, it's full coverage and it's also affordable. I have available for sale. If you want, you can chat me up. I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick as a cream blush. Yeah, you heard me. I'm using a lipstick for a cream blush. You can use anything that works for you, man. Now I'm going in to contour my face with the Mystical Rose powder palette. This powder palette is a Nigerian brand as well and it's so nice. I use it for basically everything. I use it for highlighting, for contouring. I use it for eyeshadow as well and for my all over face powder. It's so nice and I have available too for sale. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, and please share. Thank you. I'm using the H&E Eyebrow Pomade to do a cut crease. All the products I use will be listed in the description box below. Now this is the finished look, guys. Tell me what you think about this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, comment, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.